All right, so in this video, we're going to show you a brand new color that we have at epoxyplus.com. It's called Polar White. We're going to spread this out on the floor, and then we're going to use a marble effect spray paint in order to create a vein effect on the floor. We're going to do that in two different colors. But right now, we're pouring out the Polar White. So we're just taking our squeegee, and we're going to go ahead and spread this over the entire surface. And since we're doing one color, it's super easy and real quick to do. And we're looking for a coverage rate of about 180 to 200 square feet per 3-gallon kit. Now you notice that on this floor we used a white base. Most of our floors that we demo, we use a black primer, but because we're trying to keep this floor as bright and white as possible, we chose to use a white primer. Now you can also use a black primer if you choose to. It'll just darken and add a little bit of a grayish tint to the Polar White epoxy. All right, so now that we've got it squeegeed across the whole floor, we're going to go ahead and we're going to back roll it just to even things out. And again, we're using an 18-inch 3/8 snap shed-free or shed-resistant roller cover. All right, so we just put down our Polar White metallic epoxy. You can see it's a bright, really close to white color of the floor. But we're going to demonstrate another technique now. We know that the marbling technique with the veins is really, really popular, and there's all kinds of different ways to get that effect. But we're going to use this marble effect spray paint on this floor. We're going to do it in two different colors. We're going to do it in black and in silver, and it's going to create a real unique look to the floor. So let's demonstrate how we can do that. We got two different colors here that we're going to use. That was black. Silver. And we can put as much of this down or as little down as we want to get the technique or the effect that we're going for. So here's our completed floor. We did a polar white metallic epoxy as our base coat, and then we came back with the metallic marble effect spray paint to create these veins and this pattern that you see out on the floor. If you have questions about this technique or any of the other techniques that you see on epoxyplus.com, you can email us at sales@epoxyplus.com, or you can visit our website at www.epoxyplus.com.